Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and in this video I'll show you how can you fix the error issue regarding the Adobe Photoshop. So if I'm trying to open my Photoshop CC, this is the 2020 version, it comes up with an error called Sniffer.exe. It couldn't load at entry point, so file wouldn't found because of have had many reasons. I don't know what is it. So I'm just going to show you few instructions. Follow all of them one by one. Okay, so the first solution here we have is this Visual C++ redistributable code. Just download it. In my case, my system architecture is 64-bit. If you are having the 32-bit, you can download that one. Just make sure most probably all of the PCs or the laptop that you have is must be running on the 64-bit, so no doubt, but make sure you check that before downloading under here in the section. Okay, so I'm just going to install it, and if it says setup failed, it means your system has already got this application pre-built with the software package you installed, and that's it. Just give it a try. The second thing, you have to download this file from this zip share, and just download, extract the file contained within the zip file, and we have to move it to the place where the actual problem is appealing. So I'm cutting this and going to C drive, Windows, and under this you have to go to the folder system 32. System 32 is the most uh, configuration file area, so just paste it right here. Okay, so this is the second thing that you have to do. Link is given in the description down below. Okay, so the third and last final thing, that I have to make changes under the control panel settings of my graphics card. So in my case, this is NVIDIA, so you can search for your own by just right clicking over the desktop. All right, so here we are back. Just make sure you have set this to the high performance, and the second thing, you need to make changes under the program settings, and here we have to choose the program. So in our case, this is the Adobe Photoshop, and I'm just going to set this to the high performance NVIDIA processor, applying. And one more thing, to make sure it works fine, I'm just going to give it a few permissions, the proper permissions from user global to the proper high performance thing. So we have to make changes in FXAA and the CUDA course. Make sure you have selected this options and you're good to go. Just apply, and that's it. These are the three instructions that you most probably have to deal with, and your problem might get fixed with the second one, most probably. Okay, so make sure you have followed all these things, and now you can see the properly it's working properly. The Photoshop CC 2020, it's working properly. If you have the 2019 version, that would work fine too. So you can see the application is here. Now you can work with it, and if you still have any questions to ask, you can ask me down in the comment section below. This is how you can fix it. So yeah, you can see I'm opening this once again and again, and there is no any kind of entry point loading pop up anymore. It's working fine. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below which method worked for you, and if it didn't work, make sure you have followed all the instruction that I have told. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.